Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shira lumpa Baba Bandung. This is video for gangster. Huh? Gangster. I don't know who the hell is gangster. He said he's gangster. I don't care, bro. I don't even know. I don't even know. You said you are gangster in Canada and you blame me about your Facebook. I hack your Facebook. Come on, bro. Who the hell are you, do you think? And I don't like to hack someone's Facebook. Okay? I have Facebook more than 1,000 Facebook. And I'm never blocked someone's Facebook. This is abusyi. I'm never hate someone's Facebook. Gangster. You so idiot. You blame, you said I have to learning about IP, and that IP was address from Canada, you said? That's awesome, bro. Awesome. You said you want to meet me in Canada. You live in Canada? Alright. You want my address? If you want my address, I give my address. I'll give my address if you have ball, if you want to see me. I know where you live, bro. Maybe you student. You student in Malaysia. I don't know what kind of study, university or whatever. I don't care. I don't even care about that your shit. Right? But so now this video I answer for you because you blame me about that shit. Right? About your Facebook, about many things. And you said the war with you. What do you think, bro? This war for everyone, for everybody, not just for you. Don't even say gangster to abusyi. Right? Abusyi, not gangster, but abusyi, I wanna fight gangster. Don't you think I'm joke? Even I'm laughing, I'm not joke. I'm serious what I'm saying. Okay, buddy? Don't be gangster. Look at your style. Look at your style. How you cut your hair. You said I'm look like nigga, look like whatever you said. I don't know, bro. You have no ball, buddy. If you have ball, call my phone number. Call my WhatsApp. You have my WhatsApp number, call my number. Okay? We're gonna talk and we're gonna see, we're gonna meet each other. That's all what I'm saying, bro. Okay? Call my phone number. WhatsApp. Before you call, send your video first. And then, I know you call me. If not, I don't want to answer because I have incoming call more than 1,000 a day. Right? So, I want to know. I want to see you gangster. Okay? Anu banyak cirit pegah do gangster ku tanpa dulu hiyo gendri. Apa